morning, teacher. My name is Juan Pablo Castañeda Salamanca. I am studying in group 26, 980, and I will go to talk about the difference between future perfect progressive and future perfect. Excuse me. So the future perfect progressive use so we use the future perfect progressive when we express for how long an action will have been taking place at a point of reference in the future. And the action starts before that point of reference and will continue after that point. Respect the sound measuring device. We will talk about the evolution of measuring device and where the first device that could be considered a predecessor of the multimeter appeared in 1820, and another example is by 2025 Colombians will have been using multimeter for 200 years. We can see the analog instruments, and after, or actually, this is digital device. And in another example, we have the typewriter, where Colombians start to use the typewriter since the end of the century 19, and Colombians will have been using the typewriter for 20 years by 2000. The computers is another example. The difference device, and we will have been using the computers for 40 years by 2025. We will not have been replaced by computers, but the computers will have replaced some jobs by 2030. And will they have been replaced by another technologies. What do you think? We have been working at this work forever. We will show to learn, use better the technology. In future perfect progressive versus future perfect, even though the future perfect and the future perfect progressive are similar, it's important to highlight the difference in use. The future perfect denotes an action will have been complete before a specific time in the future. One example is, I will have finished the chapter by 5 o'clock, and my parents will have sold their house by December. And thank you so much, teacher, for your attention, and I hope thank you.